Good morning.
Good morning.
Only two children have attended the class so far. Naman, where are you? Okay, children. So let's wait for another 1 minute and then we will begin with our class. Is your work complete till the last? Children, your voice is not coming. You're not speaking anything or the voice is not coming?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Karthike. Okay, children, is your work complete? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
We have completed the syllabus for the final exams, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
today we are starting with the revision of lesson 6, Sam and the Secret Call. So let's quickly recap what happened in the story. Fine. And then I'll give you a revision. Please do that seriously after revising and learning all your question answers, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, children.
Ma'am, that we have to do in rough copy.
Rough. Put it in one of your revision and do it in your revision notebook, okay? Or you can do it in the fair also, no problem. You can keep it at one record, wherever, fine. So please open your books on page number 59. We are starting with our revision of first lesson, Sam and the Secret Call. Okay, so we will revise this chapter by the method of cross questioning. I will ask you some general questions related to the chapter and we will revise the chapter like that only. Okay, let me give you the general introduction. Sam and his parents, they always used to spend their holidays on one of their favorite islands, and in every holiday they used to go on the same island, same resort, same place where they used to stay. So that is why the people there, and especially the waiter, what was the name of the waiter? Dominic. He was very fond of them and he knew them. उनको जानता था क्योंकि वो हर बार छुट्टियां बिताने उसी आइलैंड पे आते थे. और ओशन का नाम उसका रेस्टोरेंट का नाम क्या था? Ocean. Beta, these are the questions that you should mark. What was the name of the restaurant? What was the name of the head waiter? And there, Dominic told them that since every year you come here only, this year my cousin is also there, and the name of his cousin was Armando. What was the name of his cousin?
Armando.
What was the name of the restaurant?
Ocean.
Ocean. And what was the name of the head waiter?
Dominic.
Dominic. So, Armando told them, okay, fine, I'll come tomorrow in the afternoon and I'll take who? Sam for the boating in the ship, in his boat, in the middle of the sea. So next day, Sam was very excited to go out with Dominic. डोमिनिक के साथ अरमांडो के साथ जाने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड था एंड ही वाज ऑल रेडी द नेक्स्ट आफ्टरनून एंड बोथ ऑफ देम स्टार्टेड। और जैसे आप इंजन को मोटर बोट को शुरू करते हैं उसकी दैट इज कॉल्ड chugged out. So they moved slowly into the middle of the sea. Since that was Sam's first time, so he was enjoying the cool breeze and the fresh air and the beautiful scene of the sea. वो क्या क्या चीजें enjoy कर रहा था? कौन कौन सी चीजें enjoy कर रहा था? The
Fresh air.
fresh air on its face. Then
Peace.
okay. So this silence, fresh air made Sam what? Was Sam very active or Sam was feeling sleepy after that?
Sleeping.
Sleepy.
Sleepy.
Because he was so relaxed, so calm, and there was a gentle breeze, and he was feeling sleepy. So he was lying down, comfortably on the boat when he stopped the boat in the middle of the sea and he whistled. The moment he whistled, there was a school of dolphins that started swimming towards them, and he woke up Sam and told him to see the beautiful scene of the dolphins swimming towards them. Sam was so excited that he asked Armando if he could also swim. So he dived into the water and he also swam across along with the dolphins. After, after some time, and the time it was already late, Armando told Sam to come back on board, come back on the ship, and it was time for them to go back home. So when Sam came on the board, he asked Armando that, could you please teach me the whistle? So Armando said, that is my secret whistle. Now, who will tell me what is the secret? What was the secret call?
Ma'am, I can tell.
Kartikeya, yes, bache. Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, it is called Armando keep his thumb in the mouth and leave some space between. Then a voice come. By that voice, the dolphin understand that his friend Armando has come. Then they come around.
Kartikeya, bacha, listen to the question. What is the secret call? Secret call किसको कहा गया था?
Ma'am, Armando voice.
किस चीज
Good
को?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Divyansh. The whistle. The whistle that Armando blew, that is called as the secret call. And now who will tell me why it is called as a secret call? दिव्यांश बेटा, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Who is this now? Yes, Divyansh. Divyansh,
Ma'am, because
दिव्यांश बच्चा, आपका ना नेटवर्क इशू है एंड आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है बीच में. Who else will tell me why was it called as a secret call? It was known as a secret call because nobody else was aware of it. And only Armando knew that whistle and how to call the dolphins. And he wanted to keep it as a secret. उसको secret रखना चाहता था, किसी को भी सिखाना नहीं चाहता था, because he thought that if some mischievous, good morning, Daksh, if some dirty people, the hunters, they would learn this whistle, they will blow this whistle and will hurt the dolphins. They will kill the dolphins for their selfish purpose. वो इस whistle को wrongly use करके dolphins को मारेंगे, इसलिए वो whistle किसी को सिखाना नहीं चाहता था. But Sam promised that he will not teach this whistle to anybody else. It is only for the sake of safety. अगर कभी जरूरत पड़ी तो उसके लिए वो सीखना चाहता था. So Armando agreed that okay, he will teach him the whistle. Initially, Sam could not blow the whistle, but slowly and gradually with practice, धीरे धीरे जब वो बार बार प्रैक्टिस करता रहा, so he learned how to blow the whistle. And after that, they decided that it was time to go back home. So when they started on their way back, their boat was hit with a strong waves. उनकी बोट समुद्र में थोड़ा तूफान आने लग पड़ा और उनकी बोट को वेव्स ने हिट किया. जैसे ही वेव्स ने हिट किया तो अरमांडो के सर पे चोट लगी और वो बेहोश हो गया. ही गॉट अनकॉन्शियस. वो बेहोश हो गया. नाउ दिस वाज द सैम्स फर्स्ट टाइम. He tried to start the engine, but he could not. He tried to revive. Revive का मतलब क्या होता है? जब आप कोई बेहोश हो जाए तो उसको वापस होश में लाने की कोशिश करते हैं. उसको आप वर्ड यूज करते हैं रिवाइव. क्या यूज करते हैं? Revive.
Revive.
Yes.
Revive.
So Sam tried to start the engine. He also tried to revive Armando, but nothing could be fruitful. So he tried. Now he was very anxious, बहुत nervous हो गया, बहुत डर गया. फिर उसने सोचा कि let me try the whistle. So he tried the whistle और जैसे उसने whistle blow करी, to his amazement, to his surprise, he saw that the dolphins have come again, and dolphins could sense, dolphins को पता चल गया that they are in danger, because इस बार whistle किसने बजाई थी? Sam ने, not
Sam ने.
Armando. So they were used to of Armando. उनको पता था Armando के तो friends थे. लेकिन जब इस बार whistle Armando ने नहीं Sam ने blow करी थी, then they realized that the boys were in danger. So they started pushing the boat towards the island. और जैसे ही वो आइलैंड के पास पहुंचे, अभी तक पहुंचे नहीं थे, थोड़ा सा they were close by to the island. Armando gained conscious. वो वापस होश में आया और उसने अपनी डॉल्फिन फ्रेंड से बोला that thank you friends, now you can go back. You must be tired because you have been pushing the boat for a long time. Thank you for your help. He thanked Sam also, and then he started the engine and they reached back. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Children,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
give you another 5 minutes to learn the word meanings, only the word meanings. Okay, Divyansh. What is the meaning of chugged out? Satvik? Meaning of chugged out. Faiz? Okay, Shubh, you tell me the answer, bache.
Ma'am, moved slowly towards the sea with the low sound of an engine.
Okay. Now you have to say the same without looking into your book.
And what will we doing?
Beta, we are revising the first lesson of our final syllabus English literature. That is your lesson number 6, Sam and the Secret Call.
Ma'am, I have learned all.
We are
Ma'am, you can
revising.
learn from me.
Okay. Beta, once you
Ma'am,
learn
we are revising now.
yes, beta. Once you revise it, I am sending a revision worksheet in the class group. After revising, please solve it in your notebooks, okay? Give the heading, write down today's date, write down revision 1. I will not be checking your revision. I will be taking a revision test. That I'll check, okay? For this, we will discuss the answers tomorrow in the class. Check your class groups. I'm sending you the revision there.
Ma'am, in pair.
Beta, why to waste the notebook? So do it in the fair. Keep it with you. Beta, please check your class group on the WhatsApp. I have sent you the revision. Okay. Once you learn the lesson 6, please attempt this revision test. Revision, not the test. Any problem in any of the question, if you don't understand, please ask now.
Ma'am, question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I don't understand the third one question of filling the blanks.
Wait. Armando threw Sam a dash to wear before swimming. उसने अरमांडो को क्या दिया था पहनने के लिए before swimming? Who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am, can it?
Yes. May I tell Divyansh?
Ma'am, Armando Trio puts his web heavy object.
नहीं बच्चा.
Ma'am, swimming costume.
Swim.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, life jacket.
Life jacket is the correct answer, Divyanshi. Very good. So today you will do, tomorrow we will discuss the answers of all the revision worksheet that I've given to you. All the questions of the revision worksheet. Beta, in case if you have any problem in understanding any question of the revision, please ask.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Atharv.
Ma'am,
Sir, the force between two objects.
Children, I'll be sharing the answers of this worksheet by the end of this day. Okay? Then you can cross-check your answers along with my answers.
ma'am, these questions you can give in the annual exams also.
Beta, these questions are only for revision. Fine? On the same
Okay.
pattern or similar questions will come.
Oh,
Not the same questions. Okay, thank you, class. I'll be sharing the answers. Please tally your answers.